Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enter a loan in QuickBooks Online and record loan payments correctly. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account and open your company. Click the gear icon, go to Chart of Accounts, then click New. Set the account type to Liabilities and choose Long-Term Liabilities. Name it something like Business Loan and click Save and Close. Click the plus New button, then select Journal Entry. Debit your bank account and credit your loan account. Then click Save and Close. Click plus New, then select Expense or Check. In the payment screen, add your loan account for the principal amount and add an interest expense account for the interest portion. Click Save and Close. Go to your chart of accounts and check your loan account. You'll see the balance decrease as you make payments. And that's it. You've learned how to enter a loan and record payments in QuickBooks Online.